How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be doing part 2 of a 2-part series. This is going to be the torture test on all of the impacts under $100. If you guys haven't seen the first series, I'll put it somewhere in this video. This series is going to be different. All we're going to do is we have a box of 3/8 by 4-inch lag screws. And what we're going to do is basically all these batteries are fully charged. We're just going to start putting lag screws in until either A, the battery dies and we'll see how many they put in, or B, the impacts can't handle it and they blow up. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and jump into the testing and see which one comes out on top. Next up we have the skil. It is fully charged on high mode. Okay, real quick I want to go over the batteries for all these impacts. The Bauer, Craftsman, Metabo all have 1.5 AH batteries. Everything else is 2.0. The Metabo is 18 volt, Kobalt is 24 volt, everything else is 20 volt. At the end of this video, I will post a graph of the temperatures of all the impacts. So once they got done, once they couldn't put any more lag screws in, I took the temperature of the battery, the motor, the housing on the outside, and the front of the impact as well. And like I said, that will all be in a graph at the end of this video, so you guys can pause and watch all that, look all that information over as well. I do apologize, the battery on the camera just died, but it was under a minute to get it swapped back out, so there was about a minute of downtime. So we'll get right back to it. I said that is all she wrote. Next up we have the Hercules. It is on high mode with a fully charged battery. Should focus. So we're still showing battery life. Oh, come on, focus. We're showing about half. She will no longer go. I'm gonna call that good. It definitely drove them in a lot faster. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It only put in 10. Starting off with the Metabo HPT brushless. It is fully charged, but it has no gauge on it, so take that as you will. Either the battery's dead or she no longer works. And if you're wondering why I kind of jumped around back and forth, because it was starting to split. I didn't want to continue down that same pattern to make it essentially easier. But all right, next up we got the Bauer, fully charged. Still showing charge. She's not doing anything. Alright, last but not least, we have the Masterforce. It is fully charged on high mode. I assume that means that it's too hot. Or it's dead. I don't know. But we got nothing. Not even a light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Quick thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video today. If you guys could, let me know in the comments something I could improve on or something that you guys liked about it, so I can get these videos better, more suited for what you guys actually want to watch. If you guys would, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the end. Alright, next up we have the Craftsman. Fully charged. Showing 1 bar. Temperature wise, we're 134.2. I don't know if I can get back in there or not for. Alright, so far she's gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Next up we have the Kobalt. It is fully charged in high mode, or number 3. That's all she wrote. She's blinking away and I gotta get... Alright, so the Kobalt got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Alright, so all that testing is done, and I will be the first to admit I am very shocked by the test results. They all still work, so when they stopped working, I'd assume they all got too hot or the batteries died, but as of now, once they've had time to cool down, they all work just fine. no issues, which I'm shocked by that. I figured at least one of them would have burned up. And overall, I'm really shocked by, honestly, this guy. I thought this guy was going to get dead last, not stand a chance, and ends up in second. And that's, yeah, I don't know. The results were not what I was expecting. And I'm curious if they were the same results that you guys were expecting. If you guys have any other ideas on what you guys want to see me do with these to figure out which ones are the best, let me know in the comments, and I will try to incorporate those into the coming videos. Overall, were these results what you guys were expecting as well? Because like I said, I'll be the first to admit, not what I was expecting at all. The Metabo, 100% blew me away. I did not think it was going to be this high up there. And the Hercules, honestly, that was a huge letdown. I was expecting it to be up here on the front end of this list, but it wasn't. I will say it drove them in a lot faster than any of the others, but at the same time, fast doesn't really matter if you stop at 10 while everything else is going well above that. That's basically all I have for this video. If you guys liked it, like I said, let me know in the comments something you didn't like about the video and something you did like about the video. And as far as tests go, if you guys have any ideas for tests on these impacts to see if we can't get one of them to burn up and see what it takes to get them to burn up, let me know. That being said, thanks for watching. Have a great day.